Meteorologist Eric DeBroca, and this is your weather on demand. We are seeing clouds really dissipate across much of upper Michigan tonight as high pressure is slowly exiting off the region here off to the east. Do have just some light rain snow showers mainly close to Lake Superior, but those too will be winding down as we head through the overnight hours. Temperatures today were fairly mild again, once again above average. Not too shocking there, right? Quite a trend that we've been setting the last several weeks and even months. Temperatures today were 38 degrees over in Munising and Manistee. National Weather Service recorded a 33-degree high there, so everybody was above freezing with the exception of Ironwood, right at the 32-degree mark. Temperatures all in all across the entire Upper Peninsula not all that different, ranging from 32 degrees to 38 from west to east. But more about this trend here. November was, again, almost 9 degrees above average, and so that continued our trend of above average months. Matter of fact, this is the 7th straight month where we've seen above average temperatures, and just more recently, 34 of the last 37 days were also above average. We're seeing a lot of warm nights, and that's what's kind of kept our temperatures really above average, but that's going to be changing as our first real Arctic blast. I know we saw one in November here, but this one's going to stick around a little bit longer, and there will be several chances at seeing snow that will actually be sticking around for more than just a couple of days. We are starting to see signs of the colder air intruding mainly across the northwestern portions of our viewing area, but also on the other side of Lake Superior. But that's really some of the mild stuff there. To find the real Arctic stuff, you got to go even farther north and west than that. Now just starting to spill just to the east of Edmonton and southern Canada and of Montana here. This really is the dividing air between the really Arctic stuff and the mild air that we've been enjoying so much of the fall, and now the first couple days of meteorological winter. And we're already seeing one system which will bring us some snow for Sunday gather its strength, but really it's going to lose some of its energy as it goes over the UP. And you can follow it here going over central Iowa now, but the bullseye will be southeastern Michigan. I'm not expecting a whole lot in the form of accumulation, probably a sloppy inch or two. And that will do it for this round. But here's how it's going to look on your future view here. High pressure departs and moves off to the east. Mainly cloudy skies tonight. We will break up some of the clouds, mainly over the interior west. But then come tomorrow morning, they're going to fill back in. As notice all this green, this is actually snow. It's going to overtake the region from southwest to northeast as it moves throughout the day. And that's when at times we can see moderate to maybe even heavy snow at some portion of the day. But the bad news is, if you want to see snow, the temperatures will be above freezing. So for roadways, it won't be too much of an issue, mainly on grassy surfaces. But nonetheless, we'll see accumulating snow of 1 to 2 inches here. Here's how our future view depicts the snowfall tomorrow, 11 a.m., and we can see it towards the Wisconsin line. Actually, there are winter weather advisories for central Wisconsin, even in the Chicago area, where they're expecting up to 3 to 4 inches of snow. Just for us, we're going to do 1 to 2 inches towards the southeast. Sunday's highs will be right around where we saw them today, a couple degrees above freezing, 36 degrees in Munising, 34 in Marquette, and cooler off to the west at 32 degrees. Your TV 6-day forecast features an Arctic blast beginning midweek. And as far as accumulating snowfall, we're going to talk more about heavy lake effect snow for the first time this season. Stay tuned for Thursday and Friday.